Hold on, guys. Give me a second. I need more of a... Yeah, we're not even crazy. Here, through storms a lot of times. Yeah, right now it's a beautiful storm. But the problem is, since the wind is so heavy, there's gonna be a lot of trash, debris, from like.
Didn't do it the last one. It was
Yeah, but like this storm.
Oh, that looks like rain back there.
Maybe it is. Maybe it is or maybe not. Yeah, but since you're lucky, we got like a porch.
Not 50. I'm going inside.
I'm good. It's not even warm. It's not even cold.
But see JJ right there. We're watching this beautiful storm today.
Yeah, right now we have like high winds and stuff. So that's gonna be a problem. Because it's probably gonna take